Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about everything you need to know about the Bank of Missouri and why you want to stay away from all of their products, unfortunately. Okay, so number one, who is Bank of Missouri? Bank of Missouri is actually a real bank. They got a few different branches. Of course, they're more of a local bank out in Missouri, of course. Bank's been out, I think, since like 1891. And again, I'm not like the smartest guy in the world. I went to their site. I looked them up because I saw a lot of similarities with them and a lot of other the subprime products, credit card products, in the industry. And for those who don't know, they just pretty much not bought out, but they now do the financing for a lot of us secured, well, I won't say secured credit cards, because these particular credit cards are a little funny. These what I call tier 4 credit cards when you're rebuilding credit. But the thing about it is that it's a lot of unnecessary fees, a lot of unnecessary annual fees. And these particular credit cards have been out for a while, but now they do the financing for them so those companies can, well, those credit cards can still be used today. So let's go over what those actual credit cards are. So that's Total Visa. That's going to also be Milestone credit card as well. And then, of course, it's going to be First Access. All right. So now they just came out with a fourth credit card called OLO. That's OLLO. And all four of those credit cards specialize in subprime. Now, with the OLO card, it's more of a thin line between the subprime and the prime market, but they specialize, I would say, between 580 and 640, okay, that particular one card. But all of those particular cards are under the Bank of Missouri umbrella. If you look at your credit report, it's going to say Bank of Missouri / Total or / First Access, or it may just say TBOM, and of course that's short for the Bank of Missouri. And long story short, they're specializing in subprime, again, making a lot of money off of a lot of unnecessary fees. If you're okay with it, then that's fine. That does not mean that just because you have them, you made a horrible mistake. But again, I would most definitely create a plan to actually get rid of those cards. Again, like I talked about before, there are certain credit cards that you don't have to have for a certain period of time. Yes, let that credit card help you, but don't forget the whole purpose of having that credit card when your credit's not the best is to make that transition from that type of credit card to a better type of credit card. And when you're able to make that transition, that's when it's time to say, you know what, let me go and let this card go, okay? And how do you know if your card is a part of the Bank of, well, of course, the Bank of Missouri, I would say line of products? Well, one is going to be on your credit report, it's going to be on your statement. You probably got something in the mail within the last, I would say, 9 months. When the whole transition happened. But again, you want to try to stay away from their products. They're not bad products, but again, there are so many other options out there that don't have unnecessary annual fees, useless fees. I mean, just a lot of just random stuff. And, but again, the thing about it is that a lot of people like them because they fall into an unsecured credit card category. A secured card, you just pay the money and you're done with it, right? But there are some unsecured cards that come essentially with an annual fee right off the bat. Now that you have that, then let's say you had that car for 3 years, you've essentially overpaid because you could have had that same result with a secured credit card. And the best thing about a secured credit card is when you close the account out, you always get your money back. Or some credit cards actually transition to an unsecured card without you having to do anything special, but just paying the bill on time, not using a lot of utilization. And then of course they give you a deposit back as well too. So just explore all of your options. Again, they're a traditional bank like anything else, but it looks like they're trying to spend most of their time in the subprime arena. And as we know, subprime is just a nice name for bad credit, right? So, but either way, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have a lot more great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.